What are you doing? Where are you going? Holy shit! Come back here, crazy monkey. He's going all the way around the block. What? Huh? Huh?
There's some guy in the car.
Huh?
There's some guy in the car.
Yeah, so tell him what's up.
Go in the backyard and videotape me going around that circle. They were like staring at me.
What's going on, guys? Fun day today. Something came in today, this morning, in the mail. Something very special. We got the Variator and the rollers for her Metropolitan. So hopefully this right here can increase an extra 5-10 more miles per hour.
I don't know, we'll see.
You don't want to see USPS.
What are you doing?
It's Christmas in Chicago today.
Look at that. Yes. Where'd you get it at?
eBay.
How much?
$72.
$72!
And I'm gonna smoke you with my scooter once this is installed.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, we'll go on a race.
Yep.
Go from a dig
Yep.
or from a roll.
You jealous? You
Look at
jealous?
that.
You jealous? You're gonna want one of these. So you can go 100 miles an hour.
What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna put in the Variator and we're gonna see how fast we can accumulate of the speed that we have currently at now. So you guys are aware from the previous video, it's set right now only at 24 miles per hour. My hair kind of is crazy right now, so we're gonna make sure that it stays like this. All right, first step is we're gonna remove basically this transmission cover right here, which inside it has the Variator rollers and everything. So it is, what do you got? It's a 7mm socket. I've already broken free some of these. And yep, you guys can see that. Yep, perfect. There's 1, 2, 3. Another one here. 4. And there's probably one hidden right above here. So I still gotta take off the air filter cover. To be continued. Alright, let's take the cover off. It should just come like that. Let's make sure the seal stays intact. And that's what we got working with here, guys. So what came with the kit on eBay from High Speed, Poly, Knee, brand, you can probably get it online. We got this for $79, $72 on eBay. We got the weighted rollers, 2 sets of them, Variator, the cover and everything. So that's what comes inside the box. All right, so we got to open the Variator. It's better to take it off basically a freaking power tool. And now we're gonna put back the kit. So you can see what we did was put every other slot of a different weight. This one's 5.6 gram, this one's 5.6, and this one 5.6, and everything else in between is basically like a 6.9 grams. So you want a little bit, meaning one's gonna give it an increase of torque and one's gonna give it an increase of top end. So if you put one that's too all lower of weight, it's just gonna drag to get that momentum and the speed that you want. So what I've been told is that basically you split each one in half of a different weight. So now we put it back this in here. This is all brand new from the box, from the kit. And this is just a guide. Don't want to force anything. Everything should just fall neatly into place. Putting this back in here now. You guys, there's plenty of videos online that basically shows how these things are.
I was getting hot like Grayson.
swapped it out with some new rollers. As you can tell, this is already kicking speed faster than it was at 24 miles per hour.